Now let's talk about spindle power. First of all, the numbers that we're going to throw here, they're not official numbers, they're not industry standard numbers. They're just a way that we created to divide information in a way that is easier for you guys to understand. We divide it in 4 categories: low, mid, high, and industrial power. Let's start with the low power. We're talking about up to 600 watts, give or take. What are you going to be able to mill within that range? Mainly zirconia, wax, and glass ceramics. Zirconia and wax because they're really soft materials, so you mill at a low power, low RPM. When you go to glass ceramics, you mill with a really high RPM, but with a really low power. So that's why you can keep it under 600. Between 600 and 1200, we're talking about mid-range power. What do you gain there? Especially PMMA. Why? Because PMMA is a resin, so it works like a polymer. Basically what happens if you spin it really fast, it melts down the material, sticks to the burr, breaks the burr, or damages the spindle. So that's why you're going to hear sometimes that when milling PMMA, the spindle suffers. So that's why you need this range between 600 and 1200. Between 12 and 2000, what you gain is a lot of production. So for high production labs, mills that are milling more than 50 crowns a day, you should be looking at the high power and even start working with some metals. Now, if you're talking about industrial power, anything above 2000, then we're talking about metal milling machines that work with any other types of materials.